Namaskar. Today we have something for all the beginners who are looking forward for stepping into this world which is so wonderful of yoga. We are going to take you to a 10 minutes yoga routine that's perfect for beginners. Conditioning. We are going to start with little conditioning in Sukhasana. Find a comfortable sitting position with your legs crossed. Sit tall, relax your shoulder, and take a deep breath in and out. Feel your spine lengthening as you inhale, and as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Now let's move on to the beginner's yoga asanas. Stithprarthanasana. This pose corrects your posture, increases your physical coordination, and improves balance. It is an excellent technique to begin with any yoga routine. So for Stithprarthanasana, stand straight, both feet together, arms in front of you in Namaste position, in front of sternum, and just watch your breath. Maintain balance and stay still. Talasana. Let's do Talasana I, palm tree pose. This asana provides maximum stretching of your body while improving your balance and posture. It also brings a balanced state of mind. Stand with one foot away from each other, both feet parallel, arms on the side. Then take your right arm right from front and bring it upwards above your head and stretch your whole body. Along with it, raise on your toes. And while doing this, inhale fully. When you inhale fully, you are using all the different sets of muscles which are used for your breathing. It helps in your breathing capacity, improves your vital capacity of lungs. Remain stretched for some time and then turn your palm backwards, rotate your hands, and from behind come back to your normal position, and feet also in the same way. So here your hand movement, your leg movement, and your breathing all should synchronize together systematically, beautifully. So it is called as neuromuscular coordination. Kodasana. Here we will stretch our body on the side. This is called as angle pose. Regular practice of this asana streamlines, massages, and tones the lateral muscles of your waistline. In Konasana, stand with feet 2.5 away from each other, both parallel, arms on the side. Raise your right hand to your waist and make a grip on your waist, and left hand on the side. Now turn your head to the left side, inhaling, bend sideways as if you are touching your chin to your collarbone. Exact sideways, raising your arm upwards as possible. That's exactly side position. If it's not done correctly, usually people bend forward or backward. So take the support of the wall for the beginners and do it exactly with the wall, touching your body to the wall. And that would be a very good pull on your waistline, really tones up your waist, hips, and gives a beautiful exercise. While exhaling, come back to normal position. Standing Vakrasana. Let's do standing Vakrasana or standing curve pose. Vakra is curve or twist. This asana provides twist to your spine. This is really good for those who have a desk job because it exercises your waist and abdominal organ. Stand straight with both legs 2 feet away from each other, both parallel. Now raise your both arms up at the shoulder level straight. Here, try and take both our arms to the side with twisting your upper body above waist. Feet should be firm on the ground. And when you take it on the side, your eyes should be focused on the tip of your right finger. Go behind as much as possible. As long as both arms are parallel, fine. Later on, left arm could be folded so that right arm can swing further. Stay in that position. It is a beautiful twist. Come back to normal. Do it on the other side. Let's do Ekapadasana. Ekapadasana one-legged pose. The primary aim of yoga asanas is to achieve steadiness of body and mind. Neuromuscular coordination and concentration of mind will help to achieve this posture, this steadiness. So here, stand straight and hold your right leg with your ankle and bring it up and let it rest on the left leg at above knee level on your thigh. It should be flat over it. Bring your both arms in front, Namaste position, and stay steady in this position. It's beautiful posture to bring balance and focus. Let's do Vajrasana. Vajrasana is also known as thunderbolt pose, where you have to sit down. Vajra was the weapon of Indra, and that Vajra was very strong. It will always hit the target. It really brings strength of divine nature. Do this asana very regularly if you suffer from sciatica pain, severe lower back problem, constipation, stomach disorder, digestive problems, or acidity. In Vajrasana, sit down with legs folded behind, toes together, heels apart. Sit in the cavity made because of this. Your hips should be firmly seated on this cavity. Your both hands on your knee and sit straight. Here spine automatically would be straight, head straight, chin parallel to the ground, and stay in this position. This is a meditative pose. Now we go to Parvatasana. Yes, we go to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Parvatasana really stretches all your abdominal muscles and your pelvic muscles. It also loosens your hip joints. The most important benefit is that it helps to reduce flabby abdomen and corrects a faulty posture. For Parvatasana, sit in meditative pose, and that is Sukhasana or Padmasana. Now, raise your both arms from the side upwards above our head and join them together in Namaste position. Here you are stretching your whole body upwards. Stay in that position for some time, pulling yourself up, holding your breath up. While inhaling, you raise your both arms up, hold your breath for 6 seconds, and while exhaling, bring them back to normal position. So this is a standard Parvatasana. Yoga Mudra represents grace and modesty within. It stretches almost all the posterior muscles of your trunk and neck. It also provides a deep intra-abdominal compression. So it's a wonderful posture. It is a symbol of yoga. Mudra is symbol. Sit in Sukhasana or in Padmasana. Sit straight. Hold your right arm with your left hand. Now inhaling, stretch your shoulders backwards. Exhaling, slowly try and bend forward. Touch your head to the ground. Stay in this position. Here the shoulders should be relaxed. Hands should not come upwards. Hands should remain straight. Down, holding with each other. Stay in this position for 6 seconds. Come back, inhaling and relax. Now we go to Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach. Here in Bhujangasana, you will feel openness of your chest and you will definitely strengthen your back muscles. This powerful back bend tones up the deep muscles, supporting the spinal column and stimulating your spinal nerve. So in this Bhujangasana, you have to lie down on your stomachs and then touch your forehead to the ground, whole body straight, toes outwards. Here, both arms have to now come at the chest level, palm facing downwards. Now, while inhaling, raise your head up. First head, then chin, neck, and then the shoulders. And the chest is automatically expanded. Stay in that position. Your navel should touch the floor. Rest upper body should be up. Stay in that position for 6 seconds. Come back, exhaling to the normal position. Now we go to Pavan Muktasan. This looks very simple, but it has tremendous amount of benefits. It releases flatulence and relieves indigestion and constipation and all stomach disorders. When you practice this, you remove mental sluggishness, by releasing toxins from your body. In Pavan Muktasan, lie down supine on your back, both hands, body straight. Now lift your right leg and fold it at the knee level and bring it towards your stomach. Grip your both arms on your knee level to press it to the stomach. Stay in that position for some time. Here one leg is folded on your stomach, one leg straight. Stay in this position, you get a good amount of pressure on your stomach, and then inhaling, make your legs straight and come back to normal position. Do it with the other leg the same way, and do with both legs also in the same way. Now let's do Yastikasana, stick pose. This beautiful pose stretches all the muscles of your body without giving any strain to your back, because it is done in a lying down position. So there is no risk only. So lie down straight on your back, your whole body is straight, arms on the side. Now while inhaling, raise both arms up above your head, backwards, behind, palm facing upwards, and both your toes should be pulled outwards. So your entire body is stretched from waist upwards and from waist downwards. So in this stretched position, stay for some time and come back to normal position. Now let's do Savasana. After all the asanas done, finally do Savasana or corpse pose. This pose encourages you to completely surrender your body to the laws of gravity and your mind to nature. It normalizes your blood pressure, pulse rate, and respiratory system. Savasana, dead body pose. Actually, all of us have to learn to die for some time and relax in that position. See that you don't think of anything. In this posture, try and just watch your body from down upwards. Instruct every part of your body to relax. And then finally, after going from toe upwards and from head downwards, then finally watch your breath. Automatically you are breathing from your abdomen. When you breathe in, abdomen goes little up, breathe out, abdomen goes little down. In that position, stay for some time. Just relax. No thinking. You have to bring vairagya in your mind. Let go everything, leave everything to nature, and just lie down. With these 10 minutes simple yoga asana sequences, you can empower yourself and enhance your health. Remember, it's all about taking it at your own pace. You should listen to your body and enjoy the journey. Namaskar.